Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this today. Some sort of chicken tikka sort of stuff. We're going to soak this in yogurt and some lovely, lovely spices. Really, really delicious. I've done these ones on the barbie. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got like 4 cups in total of chicken breast cut into nice pieces like so. Salt and pepper. Half a teaspoon of red or orange food color. That's powder. You can get it in liquid. Fresh green chili to taste. 1 teaspoon chili, turmeric, cumin, coriander. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Tablespoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons oil. 3 cups of yogurt, plain yogurt or dahi. What you need to do is whisk it before you add it. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Fresh coriander. I've got a glove on. We're going to go in and mix. You need a glove because of the food color. Refrigerate. Minimum 1 hour. Overnight, much better. Okay, so that's been in my refrigerator overnight. It is better if you do that, but minimum 1 hour, like I say. Now, I'm going to get these onto some skewers, onto some sticks, and I'm going to do them on my barbecue. You can just pan fry them if you want, or you can put them in the oven on sticks. Up to you. So as you can see, I've stuck mine onto some metal skewers, and I'm going to barbecue my ones up. Like I say, if you want, pan fry them without the skewers, or in the oven. You can put them in skewers like that, they will actually work. Okay, so barbecue on. Don't have big flames. You don't want flames. You want the charcoal to be nice and steady. Now you can see what I'm doing here. I'm balancing them over the charcoal. I don't want them touching the grill or anything like that. We're gonna pop these on and I'm gonna be spinning them around. They're probably gonna take about 7 or 8 minutes only. Really, really lovely stuff. Oh yeah. Okay, beautiful. No time at all they cooked in. They're really good. You don't want to overcook them. They're lovely, beautiful and juicy. Let's get them on a plate, shall we? Absolutely super, super fab they are. Really, really good. We're going to tuck into them. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.